Hello everybody, trust you are well. My name is John and welcome to our channel. We have the 144001 and we have a slight problem. Now all I'm going to say is, in my defense, it was not my fault. Honestly, I swear to God. Alright, it was my fault. Once again, while upstairs, after I just finished recording the whining sound on the gears, that I can't show you now because obviously it's not going to do it, I went careering at full speed into a wall, and in my defense the wall obviously moved and broke my car. Now the last time I was up on the roof just testing something after repairing something, I also tore off the whole wheel. So if you look at it this way, I'm getting better because it only just broke one little bit rather than tearing the whole wheel off. So that's an improvement, right? Let me show you what happened. Car went in, rear flicked around and just tapped the wall. Little love tap, that's all it was. Now rather than this, what usually happens is this pops off. This time it was torn out, which I've not seen before on this car. I need to get the actual wheel off to show you the damage. Something like that. If you see, what I have managed to do is tear this completely out from the plastic, so it should be there and it's gone completely out. I mean, like, I just don't know how that happened. Obviously not my fault. So anyway, to repair it, the problem that you then have is from this point that is now weak because obviously all of the plastic has been torn out. But luckily we have two holes, 1, 2, so we can put it into the other hole. It was torn out of that one. And just quickly put it in. Yeah, I mean, you can see all the plastic that's come off. So what I'm going to do is show you what happens if you put it in the other hole and then show you how to fix it. I need the Allen key. I'll just show you this. In the top of this one you've got the slot for the Allen key. That helps a lot when you're trying to get it in. In fact, I'm not going to use the normal Allen key. Let me just focus on that again. I'm going to use this one. May as well, we've got it, don't we? So, outer one. Come on. Just make sure that as you're feeding it in that it's straight. Kind of important. Okay, that's giving up the goat now. What do you reckon? Maybe do it on the slow setting. Yeah, we'll give it a go. Can't hurt, can it? I mean, it can hurt, as we know, we've seen before, but the question is, do I have... That's a bit big. Beautiful. Okay. I need to make sure that it's straight still. That was easy, wasn't it? Brilliant. Okay, now this, I'm not putting the drive shaft in deliberately because I just want to show you what problem it now causes that we need to fix before it's done. If you look on, let me just focus again. If you look, this one is on the inner one, this is now on the outer one. So what it means is this wheel is slightly further in, sort of angle-wise, than what this one is now slightly straighter. So the way to rectify that is, just put the wheel there, this here can be moved inwards and outwards. It's on a little, you've got little screws either side and it can be moved in and out. So obviously we need to get it roughly the same length as the other side to make sure that it's in the right angle. So as I have this here already, does that one fit? No. This one should. Now it's just a case of which way is correct. 50% chance to get it right, so and I got it wrong. It's going further out the wrong way. So I have to go the other way. Which way was I going? I was going that way, so I got to go this way. Right. I must remember to put the drive shaft back in. Wheel on. Perfect. All repaired, good to go. It's that simple. If you don't have anything electronic, that's next to useless, but if you don't have an electric drill, then just make sure that you're keeping the Allen key completely straight as you're turning it, and it can be done. It's just that I want to do it a little bit quicker. Right, if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe as well. Please do, you're always welcome. And hit that notification bell for future video alerts. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.